Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your relaxation game to the next level with the Homedics Drift Sandscape? A game-changing wellness device that's been flying off the shelves. This innovative product combines mesmerizing patterns, soothing LED lights, and a unique metal sphere that rolls silently through sand, creating a truly immersive experience. As you watch the sand shift and the lights dance, you'll feel your tension melt away, replaced by a sense of calm focus. The texture of the sand and the smooth motion of the metal ball are surprisingly therapeutic, making it perfect for your desktop, console, or side table. With the app, you can choose from hundreds of patterns and ambient light colors, set the speed, and even schedule your designs, giving you complete control over your relaxation experience. Many customers have fallen in love with the Homedics Drift Sandscape, and it's easy to see why, as it's not only visually stunning, but also incredibly easy to set up and use. The quick assembly and intuitive app make it a breeze to get started, and the included sand rake tool and power cord with switching adapter ensure that you have everything you need. Whether you're looking to boost your mood, enhance your focus, or simply unwind after a long day, the Homedics Drift Sandscape is the perfect addition to your self-care routine, and I highly recommend giving it a try. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.